Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is JD Juquino from the land of Kasangayahan, proudly representing TESDA Sorsogon.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Antoinette G. Pahe, proud to represent TESDA Sorsogon.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tico E. Sarate, proud and representing the beautiful province of Albay.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Romalyn Rizal, proud and honored to represent Team Albay Mabuhay!
I am Ruel Sanay Bacolod, from the home of cowboys and cowgirls, the rodeo capital of the Philippines, Provincia San Masbate.
Good evening, everyone. I am Meika Barsag representing Masbate.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Aaron Tapay, representing the Happy Island, Catanduanes.
Good evening, everyone. This is Marilyn Albernal representing Happy Island, Catanduanes.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jerry Tenorio and proud to represent my beloved Camarines Norte.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shiloh Jazil R. Aban from the province of Camarines Norte.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Renante Busmante Pabico from Ragay Polytechnic Skills Institute, representing Camarines Sur.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Diobi R. Mariano from Ragay Polytechnic Skills Institute representing province of Camarines Sur.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rafael Escucha Jr., representing TESDA Regional Office 5.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Margareta Isabella Melo, representing 65 Regional Office.
And ladies and gentlemen, once again, our candidates.
Ang tambol ay ating sabayan, sa musika'y iindak ang katawan. Pangkain, sayaw, sining at musika, sumasalamin sa ating kultura.
masterpiece screams purity, as well as modern-day feminism. A modern baroque in a rich red shade, designed by Mr. Ruel Velasco, showcasing a unique design intricately woven into the fabric. This piece is further enhanced with meticulously handcrafted bead embezzlements, highlighting the skilled craftsmanship and cultural heritage of Filipino artisans. Perfect for making a striking impression.
Nais muli kang nagdilim sa bawat pagsikat ng araw. Kagandahan ay matatanaw sa biyaya kong apaw, pare nangingibabaw. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, pasasalamat ang sigaw. Oh, that's the way, I like it. That's the way, I like it. That's the way, I like it. That's the way,